Welcome to your Yoga Nidra practice. This is Danielle, and I will be guiding you through a series of techniques to help you reset your nervous system. You can do this seated wherever you are, or if it's possible, go ahead and lay down and allow yourself to get supremely comfortable. Something soft behind the head, perhaps a pillow underneath your knees and a blanket to cover yourself. As your parasympathetic nervous system activates, your body temperature will drop. If you'd like to use an eye covering to block out any light in your space, please do that. And you'll just simply follow my guidance. Go ahead and close your eyes and quiet your mind. Be still. And just bring your body into awareness. Recognize your body has been a trusted vehicle, creating accomplishments and contributions to the best of its ability. And now it is time for your body to rest deeply. Just follow my guidance as we take 3 deep breaths. Ready? Let's inhale together. Hold the breath in, closing off the throat. When prompted by the inner urging of the body, release the breath slow and steady, and just breathe normally. Second breath now, inhaling together, holding the breath in, closing off the throat. Allowing tension to build, holding a bit longer without struggle. When prompted by your body, release fully, expelling from the body whatever it no longer needs. Deep-seated tensions, leaving your body with the breath. Now breathe normally. And third breath now, inhale together, hold the breath in, closing off the throat. Holding even longer now, but without strain. When prompted, release the breath, breathing it all out. Letting it all go until there's nothing left, until you are completely empty and open. Now breathe normally. Simply allow the breath to rise and fall in its own rhythm. The breath becoming progressively quieter and more still, until it's almost impossible to detect. And just feel your outward attention moving inward. Maintaining this inner stillness, gently adjust your body, covering yourself and making sure you're in a comfortable position. Throughout this entire period, remain relaxed and motionless, alert and conscious, staying in touch with my guidance at all times. And allow any disturbances, external or internal, to draw you deeper within. Now, I invite you to shift from thinking and doing to feeling and being. Do absolutely nothing from now on. Simply relax. As you breathe in, do so through your nose, filling your lungs fully and completely without strain. Now start exhaling through softly pursed lips, as if you're blowing through a straw, letting it be a prolonged, steady stream of breath, and emptying your lungs completely. Continuing in this way, breathing in through the nose, and breathing out through softly pursed lips without straining. Each time you exhale, just empty your mind of all anticipations and empty your body of all tensions. As you inhale, fill your heart with joy. Continuing to breathe with constant attention and detached awareness. Each time you inhale, drop into a deeper level of silent awareness and experience the balancing and relaxing impact of the parasympathetic nervous system. The breath is calm. Mind is silent. Body is relaxed. Heart is unconditionally open. Now return to your normal breathing and turn your attention inward. And experience the powerful impact of vibratory, energetic pulsations in the form of sensations in your body. Let go. Let go even more. Experience silence extending everywhere. And as I name a part of your body, let your mind and attention move to that part. Sense energy following attention, bringing healing and balance. Whole right leg, whole right leg, whole left leg, whole left leg, both legs together. Whole right arm, whole right arm, whole left arm, whole left arm, both arms together. Whole right side of the body, whole right side of the body. Whole left side of the body, whole left side of the body. both sides of the body together. Feel the whole body in awareness. Bring total, continuous, and unbroken awareness to the whole body at the same time. And give yourself the permission to enter into the deepest level of relaxation right now. Let go. Nothing to do or achieve. Simply dissolve and disappear into stillness. At this sacred moment, your whole being has made a major paradigm shift. Establish yourself in total trust and faith that remains free from any need to be in control. Feel totally unburdened and free to move in life with effortless ease. Slowly feel yourself beginning to rise to the surface of awareness. Gradually you can move as if waking from a restful sleep, just noticing how relaxed the body is. Knowing you can easily enter here again and again by remembering this feeling. And now, you may gradually open your eyes.